Sauteed, the unexpected blessing of spinach. Every spring, I step into my field with new hopes. The spring of 2023 was no different. With great enthusiasm, I planted spinach, aiming to sell its fresh, green leaves at the market and make a good profit. As days passed, the young spinach plants flourished, turning my field into a lush, green carpet. Every morning I watched them grow, feeling proud of my hard work turning into a promising harvest. Just when the spinach leaves were ready for sale, something unexpected happened. I fell ill and had to be hospitalized. For weeks, I focused on recovering, but deep down, I worried about my crops. Would they overgrow and go to waste? Had all my efforts been for nothing? When I finally returned to my field, I was met with an unexpected sight. The spinach had grown too tall, its leaves no longer as tender and fresh. It had begun flowering and producing seeds. At first, I felt a pang of disappointment, thinking I had lost my chance to sell the harvest. But soon I realized there was another opportunity hidden in this situation. If I collected the seeds properly, they could bring me an even better profit. Instead of selling fresh spinach, I shifted my focus to gathering its seeds. Throughout the summer, I carefully collected the tiny black seeds from each plant. To my surprise, when I took them to the market, the demand was high. Spinach seeds sold for a great price, and I ended up making even more money than I initially expected. This experience taught me a valuable lesson. There is always an opportunity, even in difficult situations. At first, I thought my hard work had gone to waste, but in the end, the setback turned into a blessing. Now, I not only grow spinach for its leaves, but also see seed harvesting as an additional source of income. The spring of 2023 did not go as planned, but the results were better than I could have imagined. I learned that in life, challenges often hide unexpected rewards. We just need to recognize them.